This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's July 12th, 2018. This one here I got a no AC call. A couple of towns over. I know she's got an older Goodman furnace up in the attic, and there's a slab coil in front of it, so I'm assuming it's a Goodman air conditioner outside, but I've never worked on it before. So we're going over there. She called me and said she got no cooling. Been running all summer as far as I know. I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. We're in Fall River. So it's not too far, it's probably half an hour ride, 20-minute ride. We got a lot of hills in this place, Fall River. I mean, wait to see what these hills are like. To your britches, mama. Look at the hill. I mean, that's pretty steep. I wouldn't want to be going up here in the middle of the winter when there's snow on the ground, that's for sure. Yeehaw! Mama, give it the old gun. Turn left on Adams Street. Don't sound like the fan's running. Oh yeah, she's starting to ice. I don't think the fan inside's running. I gotta check the fan inside. She ain't sounding good, mama. Fan's not running. Let me get it apart and find out why. Yeah, the motor's red hot. I gotta check this capacitor, but might be a bad capacitor here.
Oh, okay.
Let's hope that's all it is. Getting that motor out, it's got a double fan to it. I mean, not good. Flipping hot up here. Nope, the capacitor's good. Got a bad fan. Fan motor. Wow, not good.
Not good at all.
No, the fan's not spinning.
Oh.
Capacitor's good, but the fan motor's junk. Thing's spinning freely. That's a double shaft motor. Wow. I gotta make sure we're getting voltage to the motor. I check the capacitor's good. So we got this blue, this black, and this white, I'm thinking. Check that, make sure we're getting voltage. Make sure it's not the board. The motor's red hot, so. That's a double shafted motor. Not going to be easy. I gotta call and see if it's even available. Not good. Looks like a 110 motor, but with a double shaft on it. Change it. I got the new one in. Let's see if it runs. I gotta put the filter back in, but alright, I just have to put the filter back in.
That's running.
It's running now, so
Yeah.
that's a double shaft motor. That thing was a beer to change that thing out. Wow. Hot up here. Wow.
It's heavy.
Got the filter back in, it's running. Hey guys, we'll start it up and we'll check the charge. The 5-ton. Wow. It's a 22 unit for sure, I guarantee that. We'll check the charge on it. Let's say 64 and 80, right around 15 degrees superheat, what we need. So we'll let it run, and we'll check it. Alright guys, we're gonna leave it right there. Superheat's okay. Suction pressure's a little bit low, but it's the way the system's installed. Could have a dirty evaporator coil. Little slab coil up there, no beast. It's not bad right there. I mean, it don't need any more Freon, that's for sure. We're gonna leave it right there. Right there. It's an old Goodman. Not leaking. Look at the antennas go. Look at the antennas. Look at them. Oh man. Give me the old vibration treatment. Oh, holy shit. He attacked me.